Hello class, I welcome you all to this session. This session we are going to learn about past adjustments for past errors after closing the books. Now generally what happens is that when partnership books are closed, which means you have finalized your accounts, you have prepared your P&L account, you know what is your profit, and you have transferred that profit to the balance sheet, and you have done with the balance sheet, and balance sheet is tallied. The books are closed, but you eventually find that there is some mistake that's been done. Okay, so what happens is that for example, interest on capital or drawings is omitted, charged or allowed at higher or lower rate, profits or losses are distributed among the partners in wrong ratio, and so on. So there you have left out, you have omitted something, or you have committed a mistake by charging or allowing a higher or lower amount, or a profit or loss is being distributed in a wrong ratio. So this kind of things are errors. So these errors and omissions are rectified by adjusting the capital accounts. So how do you adjust it without altering the books of accounts? That is, without altering the P&L account, without altering the balance sheet. You can just alter the capital account of the affected partners by passing a rectification entry or adjustment entry. So this is how you have to do: passing an adjustment entry and or adjustment entries. So when an adjustment entry, a single entry is passed, in this case a single adjustment entry is passed for a net amount of all the past adjustments. See, look into this example. A, B, C are partners, so you have 3 lakhs as the profits. They are equal partners, so 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh you have distributed. Look into this. After preparing the final financial statement, it was detected that interest on capital amounting to 12,000 and 9,600 and 10,500 was not allowed, and also interest was not charged on drawings. So eventually you have found that this part, interest on capital and interest on drawings, is not charged. So now you need to charge. The correct profit and loss appropriation giving effect to the above omission was this only. So 1,200, 900, 2,100, and interest on capital 32,100. Each partner should get 12,000, 9,600 and 10,500. So your profit eventually would be 2,70,000. That has to be segregated equally to the amount called as 90,000, 90,000 and 90,000. This is how your P&L appropriation account should look. But previously what you have done is the account looks like this, which is a mistake. Now how to rectify this mistake? You cannot go alter. Okay, I don't have space, so I am just writing it here. You cannot alter like this. What you have to do is you need to pass an adjustment entry by changing the partner's capital account. So look into this. So you have to credit interest on you have to, in the partner's capital account, usually whatever you are debiting, you have to credit it in the capital account. Am I right? So you need to credit short for interest on capital 12,000, 9,600 and 10,500. Debited short for interest on drawings. Whatever is to be credited in the P&L appropriation account is to be debited in the partner's capital account. So this thing you need to debit it, and profits is to be again credited. So credited excess and share of profit. So this one, because it is credited in excess. Previously it was 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Now we have only 90,000. So 10,000 is to be reduced. So credited excess as share of profits, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So this one you need to give interest on capital. You need to provide interest on capital. Interest on drawings you need to charge, and that you have not charged. So you have to do that. And credit excess of shares of profit. You are taking back the excess profit that you have given. So 12,000 positive minus 11,200, you have 800 positive. 9,600 you have to deduct 10,900, which is 1,300 negative balance, and 10,500, 10,500. Now here 10,500 is a positive, 10,000 is a negative, so positive 500, like which you need to do. So this is short credited, excess credited, short credited, which means this you have to show this. This is B's capital account. Whatever is a negative balance he will debit. So B's capital account debit by 1,300, and A's capital account debit by 800, and C's capital account credit by 500. So A's capital account credit by 800 and C's capital account credit by 500. So this is how you need to do this particular transactions. So we will just work out one exercise problem so that you will be comfortable with this particular portions. Look into this question. Exercise problem 59. Ria, Mona and Nisha shared profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. The profit for the last 3 years were 1,40,000, 80,000, 84,000 and 1,06,000 respectively. So 3 years profit they have given. Last 3 years profit they have given. First year it is 1,40,000. Second year it is 84,000 and third year it is 1,06,000 respectively. These profits were mistakenly shared equally for all the 3 years. Okay, so for the 3 years these profits are shared equally. This is now decided to correct the error. Okay, now it is decided to correct the error. Give necessary journal entry for the same. Now, what is the total profits? 1,40,000 plus 84,000 plus 1,06,000. Totally it is 3,30,000. This has to be total profits, 3,30,000. What mistake done is divided equally for past 3 years. So if you divide it equally, you get for Ria, for Mona and for Nisha, you divided equally 1,10,000, 1,10,000 and 1,10,000. So this will be the mistake done. But what is actually correct distribution? It should be distributed in the profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. So 3,30,000, if we are segregating in this ratio, 3,30,000 divided by 6 into 3. So I am just dividing 3,30,000 divided by 6. I am getting 55,000. This 55,000 into 3 I will get 1,65,000. Into 2 I will get 1,10,000 and into 1 I get 55,000. What I am doing? 3,30,000 divided by 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Into 3 I have to do. For each I will not do. I will just do together. 3,30,000 divided by 6 I am getting 55,000. Into 3 I will get 1,65,000. Into 2 I will get 1,10,000. Into 1 I will get 55,000. Now I am just writing this correct distribution. 1,65,000 here, 1,10,000 and 55,000 here. Now here is a negative balance. Here it is a positive balance. So correct distribution requires positive balance. So here I am having a positive balance. Here 0, and I need to see this has to be credited. Why? Because 1,65,000 Ria has to get, but she has got only 1,10,000. Now we need to credit 55,000. Similarly, Nisha has to get only 55,000, but she has got how much? Previously she has got by mistake 1,10,000. So which means 55,000 has to be debited. So what is the journal entry that we have to look into? The journal entry would be Nisha's capital account debit to Ria's capital account. So I am just writing debit, credit. So 55,000 and 55,000. being adjustment entry past. You can write to correct profit distribution. Okay, so this will be the journal entry. So I hope that this is clear. Okay, the next problem, profit earned by a partnership firm for the year ended 31/3/2017 were distributed equally between the partners Pankaj and Anu without allowing interest on capital. Interest due on capital was Pankaj 3000 and Anu 3000. Pass necessary adjustment entry. Now what they have done, without appropriating interest on capital, they have distributed the profit. So the profit would have to the extent of 4000 would be more, because when you are doing P&L appropriation account, you will have your two interest on capital here. So say for example it has to be provided like this. To the extent of 4000, your profit would be more, and by mistake it would have gone to the profits as profits in the capital account. Am I right? So what you have to rectify that. How to rectify this? Now profits, they are equally shared. So 4000 interest on capital will increase the balance of profit. So Pankaj would have got 2000 and Anu would have got 2000. Am I right? So Pankaj should have got 2000 extra and Anu would have got 2000 extra, but it's actually what? It's actually interest on capital. How much should interest on capital given to Pankaj? It is 3000. To Anu it is 1000. Now interest on capital, Pankaj has to get 1000 rupees credited more. Anu should get only 1000 rupees as interest on capital, but profit has increased, it's by mistake increased to 2000, so it is to be debited. So see, look into this. Profit to the extent of 4000, this is not given. Say for example 10,000 is the net profit. 10,000 is the net profit brought down from the P&L account. After charging this, the profit should be 6,000. But what mistake they have done? Suppose for example profit and appropriation account, they have not charged this 10,000. They have not charged this 4,000 interest on capital. Straight away they have divided equally. So 5,000 and 5,000 the partners would have got, which is wrong. But what is right? You have to charge interest on capital. After this 6,000 you divide it equally, no problem. So to the extent of 4,000, my profit is inflated, my profit is increased. So I have to rectify that. How to rectify that? So first Pankaj would have received 2000 and 2000. I am collecting it back. Let me have it back. Okay. So I am collecting it back. How much Pankaj should receive as interest on capital? Pankaj should receive as 3000. Anu should receive 1000. I am giving back 3000 to Pankaj and 3000 to 3000 to Pankaj and 1000 to Anu. Now 2000 I've collected back. So 3000 he has to receive. So 1000 rupees is a difference. Okay. So 1000 rupees I am just in crediting, and 2000 he is having. I have to get back how much? 1000 rupees. So debit it. Okay. So if you want, you can understand it this way. Pankaj 2000 he is having. Anu 2000 he is having. But interest on capital, how much Pankaj should get? 3000. So I am giving 1000 more. How much Anu should get? Only 1000. But she has got how much? 2000. So I am getting back this 1000. So in the journal entry, in the adjustment entry, Anu's capital account debit to Pankaj capital account. So I'm just writing 1000 here and 1000 here. That's it. Okay, so this is the entry that we are supposed to write. So I hope that this is clear. The next sum, Ram, Mohan and Sohan, sharing profits and losses equally, have capital of 1,20,000, 90,000 and 60,000 respectively. For the year ended 31/3/2017, interest was credited to them at 6% instead of 5%. Give adjustment entry. Wow. So they have made a mistake in interest on capital. So how much is actually they should have provided interest on capital is 5%, but they have provided 1% extra, that is 6%. We need to rectify that. So how to rectify this? So capital of Ram, Mohan and Sohan. How much is the capital? 1,20,000, 90 and 60. Wrong interest on capital is how much? 6%. What is 6%? 1,20,000 into 6% would be 7,200. 90,000 into 6% would be 5,400. 60,000 into 6% would be 3,600. Okay, so I have 7,200, 5,400, 3,600, which is a wrong figure. Now what is the right? Correct interest on capital. Instead of 5%, they have provided 6. So 5% is the correct. So 5%. What is 5%? 6,000. So you can look here. Wrong interest on capital is 6%. Correct interest on capital is 5%. Totally wrong interest on capital, right interest on capital. The difference amount you will get 2,700. So I am just minusing this 7,200 and I am just deducting 6,000 from it. I am getting 1,200. 5,400 minus 4,500. So 900 and 3,600 minus 3,600. Now this everything is a wrong amount, so I am just getting this back. What I have to give is only 6,000. So excess are what I am having. I am having 1,200, 900 and 600 in excess, which is 2,700 in excess, but actually it should be 13,500, but this is 16,200 is wrongly distributed. So this much amount of profit should be given back to the partners. So profits, right distribution. Because this is a profit amount. Okay, see, when interest on capital excessively given, but it has to be given only this much. So to that extent, profit is also reduced to the partner. So 2,700 is a profit to be given to the partners. So equally they are going to share. So 2,700 divided by 3, I am getting 900. Okay, so 900 I have to give 900 and here 900. So you can see here there is a negative value because 1200 is there, but Ram has to get only 900, which means 300 excessively he is having, that has to be debited. Here 0, and here 900 he has to get, he has got how much? 600 only, so 300 credited. Okay, so this is a credit balance. So what is the rectification entry or adjustment entry? Rectification entry or adjustment entry is Ram capital account debit to Sohan's capital account 300. So this is the being excess amount of interest on capital withdrawn and paid correct profits. Okay, so this will be the narration. So I hope that this is clear to you. I thank you, class. Next session we will be looking into problem number 64. Okay, so same type of problem we will be repeating one more time for you to understand clearly. Thank you, class.